Hey everyone, today I will be getting a lot of homework done for the first week of college classes, and I'll probably make it fun by going to a coffee shop or something. We'll see. I also want to go to the gym and a few other things. So hopefully it's a fun, productive vlog and it will motivate you to also do the same because I know I need a lot of motivation. All right, let's get right into it. I'm gonna go make some breakfast. Alright, now I'm just gonna head to the gym. I don't really feel like going, but I know that I'm gonna be glad that I went once I'm actually working out. It's just like that initial push of actually getting out of the house and just the thought of, oh, what if there's too many people there, or I don't really feel like working out. But sometimes you have to push yourself and make yourself do things even when you don't want to. So that's what we're gonna do. Alright, so I finished my workout. It was pretty good. The gym wasn't even that crowded, so that was nice. But there's like a little park outside of the gym, so I'm gonna go for a walk just for a few minutes because I've been inside so much today and like it's so nice outside. Alright y'all, it's a couple days later. I'm gonna go to a coffee shop and try to get some homework done. So let's go. Alright, so I'm leaving the coffee shop now. I actually got a good amount of homework done, surprisingly, but I also am super happy because I met the barista and she was so sweet, and we found out like we go to the same school, and she also like is going to a church that I want to try out, so super sweet. And now I'm like really happy because I've been wanting to branch out and meet more people. But yeah, overall I had a good study session and now I'm gonna go home.